So we'll start here. So it's all PVC that we see. So here's tying into the main line. It's cast iron pipe for a short section. Let's see what's going on over here. So that looks like it's got a black tint. Those little lumps tells me it might be Orangeburg pipe. Now this is very suspicious. You might have to replace all this. That's why we do a pipe. So hit the restriction there on the bottom of the pipe. That might be a blister that's opened up on the bottom of the pipe. I'm not sure what's going on up at the top. I'm almost inclined to say that's Orangeburg pipe. They got it out here. You see those that black tint. The Orangeburg pipe is made of this bituminous material. You see that scar up there on top of the pipe. And if you have issues with this, if it is Orangeburg pipe, you'll have to get it replaced because it's no longer plumbing code acceptable. But they installed a lot of it. See how that looks black? Yeah, see the bump on the right hand side? That's Orangeburg pipe. And I don't know if we're going to get in this because it looks like it was inserted with a PVC pipe and there's a screw holding it in place. Yeah, that's a nightmare waiting to happen. Get my camera stuck in there. Okay, now we're on the south roof because look at that. That's a hammer tap. That's not the code. Yeah, it's a lot of Mickey Mouse work here. That wouldn't have passed inspection. Must have been a handyman did all the plumbing work here because a plumber would have replaced all this. Trying to get away with 75-year-old pipe. So if you buy the house, you may not have any issues for a while, but eventually those things are going to come out to haunt you. You'll have to replace probably all that Orangeburg, maybe the cast iron, fix that hammer tap. You know what I'd do? Estimate what it would cost to repipe this whole thing. You can show them this video, that way they know what they're dealing with. And then maybe make a negotiation, considering all the construction that's going to be going on and the cost. Probably reduce the price somewhat. You know, I don't know if it would be considerable or not.